Good morning, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh, and welcome to my class where I discuss the mock test paper for the business mathematics. Students, I believe that you are well aware about the pattern for the exam, and you know that you're gonna attempt an objective type exam where you will get 40 marks questions of business mathematics, 20 marks questions of logical reasoning, and 40 marks questions of business statistics. Compared to the other subjects, business mathematics is considered to be the difficult subject. So what we are going to do in this session, we're going to quickly try to solve all the 40 questions which are published by ICAI as an important questions, and you need to see these questions before you go for your final exam. So guys, without spending much time, let's start solving the question. You can see the first question. The first question is of ratio and proportion. So the ratio of x is to y is given to you 2 is to 3. So you need to find the value of 5x plus 2y divided by 3x minus y. So very easy. So in place of x, you can see the ratio of x by y is given to you 2 by 3. So what you can do in place of x, you can put 2, and in place of y, what you can do, you can put 3. So 5x plus 2y divided by 3x minus y. So if you solve this, so this will be 16 divided by 3. So you will get this as the answer, and the answer is option B. Fine. Anyone have any doubt? So if you have any doubt, feel free to ask your doubts in the comment section. I don't think so you will have any doubt. This is very easy problem. So the ratio of x is to y is given 2 is to 3. If you would have wanted, you could have written, like many people traditionally, they write this x is equal to 2a, y is equal to 3a, then you would have substituted. But ultimately you can understand a and a will get cancelled only. So it doesn't matter. So ultimately how you want to do, you will get the same answer only. Fine. Now the second question, you can see again it is a question of ratios only. So a bag contains 187 rupees in the form of 1 rupee, 50 paisa and 10 paisa. So I believe everyone knows that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Everyone, I guess, are well versed with this concept that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So what I'm going to do, so I have 1 rupee. So I have 1 rupee, I have 50 paisa, and I have 10 paisa. So I have 1 rupee. So if I talk about the value, I have 1 rupee. Then 50 paisa, I can write 1 by 2 rupees. 50 paisa, I can write as 1 by 2 rupee. And 10 paisa, what I can do, 10 paisa, I can write as 1 by 10 rupee. I hope you can understand. Otherwise, you could solve these questions either in paisa also. If you're weak with mathematics, if you don't like fractions and all, you can convert the 1 rupee into 100 paisa. Then 50 paisa would be 50 paisa and 10 paisa would be 10 paisa. I'm trying to solve this question in the term of rupee. Okay, so then so you have 1 rupee, 50 paisa and 10 paisa in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. So in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. In the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. So let this is 3x, 3 is to 4 is to 5. This is 4x, this is 5x. So this is the value. So the value what I'll get. So these are the numbers. These are the number. So you have 1 rupee, 50 paisa and 10 paisa in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. So you can solve this. The value of this would be 3x. 1 into 3x. The value of this would be 2x, and the value of this would be 0.5x. Okay, so 5 divided by 10. So that is 1 by 2. So this would be 5.5x. The value of this is 5.5x, and that 5.5x is given to you how much? That 5.5x is given to you 187, I guess. Yeah, 187. So 187 rupee. I'm solving the term of rupee. 5.5 is nothing but 11 by 2. 11 by 2x, that is equal to 187. So 11 17s is 187. Okay, so 11 17s so the value of x you will get 34. So the value of x is 34. So 1 rupee is 3x. So 3x means 34 threes means 102. 34 threes that is 102. Then this is 34 fours is 136. Okay, the number. So this is 3x, this is 4x, and this is 5x. 5x would be 170. So these are the number. So you have 1 rupee, 102, coins, you 50 paisa, you have 136 coins, and 10 paisa, you have 170 coins. So if you have 170 coins of 10 paisa, means their value would be 70 rupees. And if you have 136 coins of 50 paisa, then their value would have been 68 rupees. And if you have 102 rupees of 102 paisa, 102 coins of 1 rupee, then the value of that would have been 102 rupees. So 102 plus 17, so that is 119. 119 plus 68. So 119 plus 68. So if you do 119 plus 68, so you will get 187. Okay. So I hope you understood this. So very easy. 102, 136, 102, 102, 136, 102, 136, and 170. Again, the now the answer for this is option A. Question number one, the answer was option B. Question number two, the answer is option A. Now question number three, if you see, so mathematically this question is there's an error in this question, but although we will solve it like that way. You can see log base ex, and here this is log 1 plus x. If base is not given, then we take the base as 10. Okay, so logarithm, I believe you are well versed with the basic concepts on logarithm. Whenever we talk about logarithm, the base of a logarithm should be a positive number, not equal to 1. So in logarithm, generally your base is either e or 10, common logarithm and natural logarithm. Common logarithm, when your base is 10, natural logarithm, when your base is e is a Euler number. The value of e is a Euler number, which is it's an irrational constant. The value of e, whenever we talk about e, the value of e is 2.71828. You can remember this. This is the value of e, that it is an irrational number like pi. So here the problem with this question is that so they logically in the question they should either give the base e, or they should either give the base 10. But they have not mentioned the base for the other part. So I now if I take base 10, so then what is required? I need to solve the problem in one base, and the relation between base e and base 10 is log base e is equal to 2.303 of log of base 10. So probably if you then do in that way base conversion and all, then it would tend to be complicated. So what you can do, you can understand that there would be a little bit error in the formulation of question paper. So there are certain errors in the model paper. In the logical reasoning also, I found in one question there was error. So even then, for the time being, I'll ignore this error. I'll assume that the base is same only. So either base E or 10. So I'll take same one base only. Okay. So let the base is E. So log A plus log B, that is log AB. So this is log E, x into 1 plus x is equal to 0. Okay, so then I can write x into 1 plus x is equal to e to the power 0. X square plus x is equal, any number to the power 0 is 1. So the equation becomes x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. This is your answer is option D. Fine. So, so make sure you do proper revision for the logarithm chapter. Logarithm is very important. You can watch my video. I have made around 4 to 5 videos on logarithm. So you can go to my channel and playlist. You can search for the videos on logarithm. So get more information, because normally the student used to get scared when they see the questions on logarithm and all. So logarithm is something which you should be very good with that part. So this is the graph of y equal to log x. So basic knowledge on logarithm is important. You need to have. Now question number 4. You know the formula in time, speed, and distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. So this is the formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. So they're given the ratio of the distance and they're given the ratio of the speed. They're asking you the ratio of time. So time is nothing but distance by speed. So again, this is a problem of ratio only. Time is nothing but it is distance by speed. So the ratio of distance is 5 is to 9. So the two car, so the ratio of the distance is 5 is to 9. So I can take the ratio of the time t1 by t2. So suppose the distance, this is 5a, and the speed of this is 2b. Okay, this should be divided by the ratio. Another distance is suppose 9a, and the speed of that is 5b. Fine. So you can solve this simple problem. I hope you are going with my flow. You're not finding anything difficult or fast. So 5a by 2b into 5b by 9a. Okay, so the ratio of this, if you understand, this would be 25 by 18. This is the ratio what you will get. Answer is option C. Fine. Anyone have any doubt? Anyone want to ask any question? Then you see the next question. So question number 5, you can see question number 5. Enough space is there. If you see question number 5, I hope this is visible for you clearly. So if it's not visible, I'll write it down for you. So this x is equal to 3 to the power 1 by 4 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4, and y is equal to 3 to the power 1 by 4 minus 3 to the power minus 1 by 4. So let 3 to the power 1 by 4 is equal to a. Okay. So it means that then I can write the value of x is equal to a plus 1 by a, while the value of y is equal to a minus 1 by a. Fine. So if I ask you what is x square, so the x square would be a plus 1 by a whole square. Y square is a minus 1 by a whole square. So I can write this as a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a and 1 by a get cancelled. A square plus 1 by a square minus 2ab. So you got x square plus y square. So now if I ask you what is x square plus y square whole square, so this is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 plus a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 whole square. 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. So you can write 2a square plus 2 by a square whole square. You get 4a square plus 1 by a square. This is the value of x square plus y square whole square, that is 4a square plus 1 by a square. Okay, so this is the value. So this is the value of x square plus y square whole square. So this is the value of, so x square plus y square whole square is equal to 4a square plus 1 by a square. So 3 into x square plus y square whole square. So 4 threes are, that would be 12 into a square plus 1 by a square. Clear everyone? Now what is a? Now what is a? What is basically a? What is basically a? Your a is, what is basically your a? This is your A. This is basically your A. Okay. So what I can do here, I can write this as 12. And what is A square means 3 to the power 1 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 4 whole square. So this is 12. This is 3 to the power 1 by 4 whole square would be 3 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 2. So you can write this in other way. This is 12 root 3 plus 1 by root 3. This is 12 3. This is 3 root 3 into root 3. 3 plus 1 4. So 12 into 4 by root 3. Okay, so you wanted x square plus y square whole square. So the square you wanted. The square you wanted. So this will be 12 into 16 by 3. You'll get 64. So the answer for this problem would be 64. The fifth one, the answer for this problem would be 64. Now you can see question number 6. So question number 6, I can write this. So if I solve this, I will get x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube divided by x square to the power minus 1 minus of, if you take LCM, xy LCM, so you'll get x cube plus y cube to the power minus 1 plus, this is x cube plus y cube divided by y square to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So I can write this as x square by x cube, x square by, I can write this as x square by x cube plus y cube, base is same only, minus xy plus y square, base is same only, is equal to 1 by 3. So if you notice, this is nothing but, everyone, I believe you are aware about the expansion of x plus x cube plus y cube. If I ask you the expansion of x cube plus y cube, so you will get x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So I can write 1 by, I can write 1 by 1 by x plus y is equal to x square minus xy plus y square divided by x cube plus y cube. 1 by x plus y. So you'll get 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 3. So means what is x plus y? That is equal to 3. Fine. If you have doubt, I'll do it again. So if you have any doubt, I'll do it again for you. So take LCM. So if I take LCM x square, so I'll get x cube plus y cube to the power minus 1 minus of, here take xy LCM, so you'll get x cube plus y cube to the power minus 1 plus, then take y square LCM, so you'll get x cube plus y cube to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So I can write this as x square by x cube plus y cube minus xy divided by x cube plus y cube plus y square divided by x cube plus y cube is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, the power is inverse, so numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. Now you can see denominator is same. So x square minus xy plus y square divided by x cube plus y cube is equal to 1 by 3. So now everyone knows the expansion. I believe you know the expansion of x cube plus y cube, that is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So you can write 1 by x plus y is equal to x square minus xy plus y square divided by x cube plus y cube. So in place of this, I can write 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 3. So means x plus y is equal to 3. Now you see this question number very easy. So I don't think anybody have any doubt on this. Simple, you get a linear equation, solve the linear equation, you get the answer. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 1, and then 5x plus 2y is equal to 50. So solve the linear equation, multiply this with 2, multiply this with 3. So you'll get, so so you'll get 4x minus 9y is equal to 2. Then you'll get 10x, sorry, then you'll get 15x, 15x plus, so 4x minus 6y is equal to 2. Then 15x plus 6y is equal to 150. So I can say 19x is equal to 152. The value of x you will get is 8. So the value of x you got is 8. Once you get the value of x is equal to 8, I can put this value of x equal to 8 in any equation. So x is equal to 8. If I put in second equation, 8 to the 16, then 50 minus 16 is 34. So this is 16. So 15, 50 minus 16, that is 34. 5x. So you're getting in decimal. 5x is equal to 34. Okay, let's put in first equation, 8 to the 16. 16 minus 1, 15, 5. Y value you get 5. So y is 5, that is 10. 10, and then x is, okay, x is 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Okay. So x you got 8, and the y value you'll get is, your y value, how much you'll get? So y is 40, 10. Y value you'll get is 5. So y value you'll get is 5. So x value you get 8. Y value you get 2. So what is the value of x minus 2y? So that is 8 minus 4. That is 4. What is the value of y value? How much you get? 5, no, not 2. 1 minute. Y value, how much you get? So the y value, how much you got? X you got 8, then 8 5s are 40. Then you will get the y value is equal to 2y equal to 10. So means y equal to 5. So y value equal to 5. So what is the value of x minus 2y? So 8 minus 10. So you will get answer as minus 2. Then, so the cost of 5 mango and 20 banana, cost of 5 mango and 20 banana, the cost of 5 mango is equal to 20 banana. Okay, 1 minute. So the cost of 5 mango is equal to 20 oranges. So 1 mango is equal to 4 oranges. The cost of 5 mango is equal to 20 oranges. So 1 mango is equal to 4 oranges. If the total cost of 2 mango plus 10 oranges is 22.5. So 2 mango. So in place of 1 mango, you can write 4x. So 2 mango would be 8x. So 18x is equal to 22.5 means 22 1 by 2 means 45 by 2 means x is equal to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2, 5 by 4. So the value of one orange is 1.25. What is the value of two orange? So that would be 2.5. So the value of 2x would be 5 by 2. So you can see the ninth question, the root of the quadratic equation are equal. So when you get the root equal, then each root is equal to minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a, 3k by 18. So each root. So here the equation is 9x squared. So your quadratic equation is 9x squared. Your quadratic equation is 9x squared plus 3kx plus 4 is equal to 0. So the roots are equal. So quadratic equation are in the form of, whenever you see quadratic equation, they are in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where the sum of root alpha plus beta, that would be minus b by a, while the product of root alpha into beta, that would be c by a. So when you see the quadratic equation, so the roots are equal, alpha and beta are equal. So whenever the roots are equal, then the graph will touch the x-axis only at one point. So that point of x value is minus b by 2a. So here sum of root, that is minus b by a, and the product is c by a. So here the value of a is 9, the value of b is equal to 3k, and the value of c is equal to 4. So sum of root is equal to alpha plus beta, that is minus 3k by 9, and the product of root is equal to 4 by 9. So alpha and beta both are equal, roots are equal. So 2 alpha minus k by 3. So alpha is equal to minus k by 6. So alpha is equal to minus k by 6. So what you can do, in place of alpha, if you put minus k by 6 into minus k by 6, you get 4 by 9. So you get 4 by 9. So this is k square by 36 is equal to 4 by 9. This is Forza. So k square is equal to k square. 1 minute. It means k square is equal to 16. Means the value of k is plus minus 4. This answer is option C. Okay, so whenever we talk about quadratic equation, in the case of quadratic equation, the graph what you will get in the case of quadratic equation, you will get a parabola. So if your a is greater than 0, you will get a U-shaped parabola. While if your a is less than 0, then you get a inverted U-shaped parabola. So when you see the roots of the quadratic equation, that depends upon the determinants. So alpha and beta, the formula what we use for the roots is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So b square minus 4ac we represent with a term called d. So this is called d, which we called as b square minus 4ac. That is called discriminant. So if you d is greater than or equal to 0, if you d, so this is b, this is d. D means discriminant of b square minus 4ac. So whenever you see the roots of the equation, if whenever you see the roots of the equation, your roots are either real, your roots are either real, or your roots are either imaginary. So you get an imaginary root if your d is less than 0. You'll get a real root if your d is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now, when you see d is greater than or equal to 0, then if d is equal to 0, then your roots are equal, real, and rational. Okay, and each root is equal to alpha and beta, they are equal to minus b by 2. While if your d is greater than 0, if d is greater than 0, then your roots are real. So whenever your d is greater than 0, your roots are real. It can be two case. It can be d is a perfect square, d is a perfect square, or d is not a perfect square. So d is not a perfect square. So if d is not a perfect square, then your roots are irrational. Your roots are irrational. Okay. While if you d while if whenever the d is less than 0, you get a imaginary root. Always remember, whenever you get a imaginary root or either you get a irrational root, your roots are always in conjugate pairs. Your roots are always in conjugate pairs. Your roots are always in conjugate pair. So conjugate pair means if your roots are in always in conjugate pair, it means that if one root is equal to 2 plus root 3, automatically the other root would be 2 minus root 3. If one root is 2 plus root 3i, the other root would be 2 minus root 3i. So they always form a conjugate pair. The same logic we'll use here to solve the question. So one root is 2 plus root 5. So it is an irrational root. So the other root, so the alpha is equal to 2 plus root 5. So the other root would be 2 minus root 5. Okay, simple. What is the sum of root alpha plus beta? That would be 4. Okay. So what would be the product of root alpha into beta? So that would be 2 plus root 5 into 2 minus root 5. So a plus b into a minus b. So that would be 4 minus 5 equal to minus 4. If you want the equation, so the sum of root is 4. If you want the equation, the sum of root is 4. Alpha plus beta is 4. And the product of the root is minus 1. The product of the root is minus 1. So the product of root is minus 1. So how to form the equation? I hope you remember whenever we talk about formation of quadratic equation. So whenever we talk about formation of quadratic equation, so then we use the formula. The formula is x square minus sum of roots, sum of root into x plus product of root, plus product of roots, that is equal to 0. So x square minus sum of root is 4 plus product of root. Product of root is minus 1. So the equation would be x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Then anyone have any doubt? Question number 11. A man sells 6 radios and 4 televisions, 6 radios and 4 television for 18,480. So I can write 3R plus 2T divide by 2. This is 9240. Okay, so if 14 radio and 2 televisions are sold for the same amount, okay, so again 14 radio and 2 television you sold for the same amount, which you sold for 6 radio plus 4 television. So you'll get 8R is equal to 2T, means T is equal to 4R. So put substitute this value in this equation. They want radio. So in place of this equation, in place of radio, so here television, that is, in place of T you can write 4R. This is 9240. This is 8 plus 3, 11R is equal to 9240. So the value of R is 8 za, then 840. Now see question number 12. So this is problem on matrices. X plus y, then 1, then 1, x minus y. If you bring this side, it becomes 12, 4, 2 minus 4. This is minus 2, 3, 2 minus 4. So I can write this as x plus y, 1, 1, x minus y is equal to 12 minus 2, 10, 4 minus 3, 1, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 4, minus 4, that is 0. One minute. So I can write x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 4. So what is the value of x? The value of x would be 7. And what is the value of y? The value of y would be 3. This is option D. This is minus 7. So the value of x you got 7. The value of x you got 7 and the value of y you got 3. This was minus 7, not visible properly. So what is the value of x if this is singular matrix? Singular matrix means, what is singular matrix? Singular matrix are those matrices for which the determinant is 0. Those are called as singular matrix. Singular matrix are those matrices for which the determinant will be 0. So what is the determinant of A, B, C, D? So the determinant of that is AD minus BC. So for the singular matrix, AD minus BC should be 0. So for the singular matrix, for the singular matrix, AD minus BC should be equal to 0. So it's the same thing if I use here. 1, 4, 2x So means singular matrix means x minus 8 equal to 0 means x is equal to 8. So the transpose of a square matrix would be square matrix only. Okay. So square matrix means row and column are same. A, B, C, D. If I do the transpose, so I'll get A, B, C, D. So again, this would be square matrix only. Clear everyone? Then next question, question 15. The solution set for the equation x plus 2 greater than 0, x plus 2. So x plus 2 greater than 0 means x is greater than minus 2. Okay, and then 2x minus 6, 2x minus 6, if that is greater than 0, if that is greater than 0, so, so if 2x minus 6, if that is greater than 0, so I can say 2x is greater than 6 means x is greater than 3. So you can see this x is greater than 3 here, where x is greater than minus 2 here. If you see a number line, if you see the number line, if you see the number line, so the number line, if you see the number line, according to the first equation, the x, so x is greater than minus 2, so excluding this value. Okay, and according to the second equation, x is greater than 3. See the intersection of this. If you see the intersection of this, what is the intersection of this? So the x means x is greater than 3 to infinity. So the value of x which will satisfy both the equation would be all values of x between 3 to infinity. So the value of x which will satisfy both the equation is the value of x which is between 3 to infinity. So the answer for this is 15th one is option B. Clear everyone? So this much uh, we'll do in this first session. So I'll make another set of video, so in which I'll do the question number from 16 to 30. So I hope you enjoyed this session. So if you like the session, please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you like the content, so don't forget to come up with your comments. Your comments are highly valuable. Your feedbacks, good, bad, whatever you feel about the class, make sure that you give your feedback. Do like the class. Do click on liking the button and click on disliking the button if you have not liked the class. So we have done around 15 questions. So if you see these 15 questions, what we have done, if you see these 15 questions, what we have done, so probably we can see the first two problems of a ratio and proportion, which were comparatively easy. One was very easy. Question number two, that would be a little bit time consuming for few people. Three was easy problem, provided you should have basic knowledge on logarithm. So otherwise, if you want, if you don't like logarithm and all, you can skip this also. So anyway, leaving one question will not create much problem. So hardly one question will come from logarithm. If you want, you can ignore that also. Question number four, basic questions on ratio, where you know the formula distance is equal to speed into time. So till now, we can see three problems on ratios till now. Question number five is again, it is a problem of algebra, basic knowledge of algebra. If you have, you can easily solve it. But for many people, it would be a little bit difficult problem. So you can see the steps very carefully. In case of doubt, feel free to ask your doubt in the comment option. So that what I'll do in the next video, I'll try to clear some of your doubts if you have. So that way your doubts will also get cleared. So good question. So algebra questions are comfortably good. Again, question number 6, not a difficult problem, but yeah, those who are a little bit weak in maths, they may find it difficult. 7, very easy linear equation. 8th, very easy linear equation. 9th, easy from quadratic equation. 10th, easy from quadratic equation. 11th, we did, this is a problem of linear equation, simple linear equation problem, 11th one. 12th one, matrices, very easy problem. 13th, matrices, very easy. 14th, matrices, very easy. 15th, linear inequation, comfortably easier problem. So you can see this, like this kind of pattern. So tomorrow when you write a foundation exam, you will get the same kind of pattern in the exam. Make sure that you watch my video with 100% patience and concentration. That way it will help you to make sure that you clear the foundation very easily. So guys, it's time to wind up the class. So again, we'll come up with the next session where we'll try to solve the problem from question number 16. Till then, everyone take care of yourself, your family. God bless you. Take care, everyone. Bye.